fuck.
Already.
Oh!
He ran himself
no.
over.
Job, Ash.
Can someone help me up?
We'll try.
Kidding me. No, I got knocked off the bike. I didn't know you could
Mac.
actually come off.
Yeah, I'm actually tempted to just put a bullet in him.
Quick, fam.
You are a ways off.
Nah, I'll be right. I didn't know you could fucking do that.
Maybe it's just a motorbike. No,
At least
don't die in
you
a car.
guys get a help up, you know? That's what I'm saying. Oh, God.
Fuck,
My
what was
ears,
that?
My ears.
Fuck, I thought someone had seen Ash die and
So
they're
did
chucking
I.
nades.
Yeah. Well, I went into panic mode then.
You got bandages?
Yeah, Ash. You owe me, alright?
Here, Ash,
Fucking
use
owe me.
one of our only fucking meds that we've
Yeah,
got.
take that then.
You owe me.
Oh, do you have a med kit?
Yep. You remember that, alright? I gave you my med kit.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ash. See your motorbike?
But I'm gonna get back on it. You fall off your bike, you get back up again.
Someone blow it up.
No. Oh, fuck. Quick.
How's it look down there, Tom?
Unlooted.
Cool.
Unless they just missed 556.
No one misses 556.
That's you guys running around, yeah?
Yeah.
There's a
we're
buffoon on
above
the
you.
motorbike around as well.
I'll go check these houses over to the right. You guys said in there.
There's a Stuart Max in the tunnel. Want to get double barreled.
Where is he? You're in a different entrance.
Yeah, this is undone.
Nice. We're in the safe zone. Go ham.
Mim. I'm just
Can't
gonna
wait to do a
pay-
single motorbike,
oh,
man.
med kit.
Anyone want an M4?
Go on.
Oh, yeah. Why not? But if you can carry it, or...
No, I can't carry it.
Yeah, don't worry about it, bro. All good. Level
Where's
2
the-
helmet. These houses if you want.
Not in my tunnel, Ash.
I might come and get it actually.
What the fuck happened then? Why did that drop my
Corey Boyman, the ambassador of pressing F depiction.
Actually, I won't worry about that M4Z.
Right.
I'd rather probably keep a shoddy.
Well, you've already got a scar, don't you?
Yeah, I do. There's no point, is there?
I don't get it. Oh, my vest can carry more. That's sick. I couldn't carry any more bandages and I picked up a vest and I could pick them up. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. The bigger vests allow you to carry more.
It's quite happy
My
with it.
best.
So your max carrying capacity is 370 with a...
I'm only carrying a level 1 backpack in the noob at the moment. Noob carry weight.
Are you just leaving packs of 556 lying around?
I didn't go that way. I went the other way.
This is the other way.
Holy fuck, Ash! I'll fucking shoot that thing's tires out, nigga.
Wait, check
You
out-
driving that down in the fucking tunnels.
Let me check this jump here. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, fuck yeah, boy. Oh, hit the tree. Oh, I've got to stop mucking around. Wait, see, watch me do
Car,
this.
car.
Where?
I think I hear a car.
User joined
Why
your
am I a
channel.
different channel?
I don't know.
When the fuck did that happen?
Where I
Dunno.
heard a car.
Maybe you moved because we were talking?
No, I didn't.
No, I moved you down.
Why?
I don't want to hear your dodo shit.
You're flaming.
Because Ash is concentrating really hard on his motorbike
Oh,
right
I'm
now.
fucking I see how.
User disconnected from your
It was,
channel.
what?
Oh, yeah,
Jesus.
boy. Oh, I might knock myself out.
We're not picking you up if you knock
Oh
yourself
my
out
god, he
again.
just lost half his health.
Fuck, I'm not giving you a medikit again.
No, don't.
Oh, that's fucking shame, hey. Oh, stop.
Is that a car?
That's a car.
Mine.
I
That's
see.
me.
I see, yeah.
Where's your motorbike, Ash?
I fucked it up, dude. Can you hit it back over?
Oh,
what the fuck?
Oh,
You're kidding me!
Look at
You're
there.
fucking kidding me!
How the fuck? What
landed it.
happened?
Dude,
Oh,
I'm
shit.
gonna have to like fucking shadow play that. What's the shadow play button?
Oh,
F10.
Oh,
Wait, that motorbike's still going by